So I've been feeling sluggish for a couple of years, and it's not that I don't work out. I mean, I exercise, like I walk 6 miles a day, spring, summer, fall. I ski a couple times a week in the winter. I'm on ski patrol, and it just wasn't getting it. I still felt sluggish most of the time.
Sean's story is not uncommon. Many of us feel this way. In fact, Americans are stuck in the midst of a lifestyle disease epidemic. The number of working-age adults with a chronic condition such as diabetes, heart, or lung disease has grown by 25% in 10 years. This shift towards earlier onset means we are spending our lives managing our illnesses instead of living life to the fullest. If it were only adults, that would be enough, but what legacy are we passing on to our children? According to the CDC, childhood obesity has more than doubled in children and quadrupled in adolescents in the past 30 years. The staggering effects on health and well-being will produce shorter and lower quality lives for the next generation. This is a human tragedy that can be changed.
So the Cruxpoint team challenged me to try a new way of living for 30 days. And I figured I could do anything for 30 days. So I did it. I followed the challenge, and in 30 days I lost 16 pounds. I felt better than I had in years. I had more energy, I was sleeping better, I quit snoring. I just felt generally younger, I was thinking clearer, and I adopted it as a new way of living. I didn't want to go back to the old way of eating and living, and you can't make me go back. I feel better than I ever have, so I'm sticking with it.
Sean experienced the Cruxpoint breakthrough process that has proven to lead to lasting change. What is the breakthrough process? It's a unique and powerful way of challenging our ideas about what is true, what is possible, and what is impossible. This gives us the opportunity to make new choices that we didn't know we had before and focus our attention on the things that we can actually do something about.
I never really had a lot of health issues until I was diagnosed with non-Hodgkin lymphoma in the spring of 2013. From that point, I knew what I needed to do medically, but in terms of what choices I could make for myself, I felt powerless.
The Cruxpoint Health Impact Program is about breakthrough in life and living. How do you want to live out the rest of your life? And what's holding you back? Sure, it's about what you eat, how you sleep, exercise, and deal with stress. But really, it's about living your life with energy, strength, peace, and purpose, the way you want to live it.
I felt like, I really want to be healthy and vibrant. I don't want to live in this mode of being scared all the time. And so when I heard about this health seminar, it just was a perfect timing for me.
You will learn how to address the foundations of health and vitality: nutrition, exercise, stress, and sleep.
I was able to right away just feel like I was making some great choices, not just for right now, but that this is something that I could do for the rest of my life.
And we're about day 40 now, and I didn't notice, but she noticed that I looked a little thinner. I guess I lost 10 pounds, and I wasn't even trying.
We know that it's nearly impossible to make change durable when the odds are stacked against you. This is why we've designed the program with a community of support on both a national and local level. You only get one ticket to ride. Join us and learn how to make it the ride of your life.